series and parallel operation of SCR. So in SCR we can apply this number of SCRs in series or in parallel for the reason of application purpose. Different for different application purposes we need to use series combination of SCRs or parallel combination of SCRs. Mainly for high current rating, for application of high current, we use the parallel combination of SCRs. For application of high voltages, we use the series combination of SCRs. So, how to apply those? So for high current application, number of SCRs are connected in parallel. So the series and parallel connection combination of SCRs is called string. Okay. Now the performance indicator of the string is denoted by neta. Okay. So the performance indicator of string is neta, or string efficiency. This is denoted by neta, and this is the voltage or current rating of string divided by number of SCRs connected. That is, if it is connected in series, then the number of SCRs connected in series or number of parallel connected SCRs. So here the rating of each SCR, that is V by I. So ideally string efficiency is 100%, but practically it is less than 100%. Less than 100% efficiency means voltage or current distribution is not uniform. Now another term we should also know, and that is derating factor. Derating factor is 1 minus neta, that is how much input is not distributed uniformly, that is the indication of DRF or derating factor. Now the performance indicator, how they will indicate. Okay, suppose series combination are given here. In this case, what you have to understand, that the SCRs connected are all of the equal rating. Equal rating means they will have, suppose, same blocking voltages or the leakage currents. This way they will be same. Okay, now even if the ratings are same, there will be some differences between the differences between the series of SCRs. Okay, suppose these are the two two SCRs connected in series, and suppose they do have same voltage rating and they are connected. And here in this graph you can see that they will have different forward blocking voltage and different leakage current. So what you can see, that the forward blocking voltage SCRs having less leakage current will block more voltage, and these two SCRs are providing different blocking voltage. Okay, and this string operation is need to go for long run. So series is for voltage purpose. One SCR is going to be more stressed. Okay, to make it in equal rating and operate without damage, we will construct the SCR in the different way. Suppose the SCRs, here you can see this SCR is connected, the SCRs are connected in a series way. Okay. Now you can check for the first SCR, the current is IBM, assuming that, and the current I is the input current. Now the input current is divided into two parts, IBM plus I1. You can see this, and one resistance uh, R is connected. So here for the first SCR, we will connect in this way the parallel. Next, the output from the first SCR and resistance combination is I, the input current given initially. Now again, this is breaking into two parts, IBMX, I2, and the resistance R in parallel with the SCR. So we are getting several SCRs in combination with different structures. So at the first combination, the less leakage current is there, and the rest is n minus 1 SCRs. So here I1 is equal to what? I minus IBM. I2 is equal to what? I minus IBMX. So voltage appears across the first unit will be I1R plus n minus 1 into I2 into R, that is equal to Vs. So I1R plus n minus 1 into I2 is equal to what? I minus IBMX, that into R equal to Vs. So I1R plus n minus 1 into R into I1 plus IBM minus IBMX, because I is equal to I1 plus IBM equal to Vs. So from that we can get I1R plus n minus 1 into R into I1 minus IBMX minus IBM equal to Vs. And this I1 plus n minus 1 into R into I1 minus IBMX minus IBM is suppose the change in current due to the difference between the SCRs, that is delta IB, which is denoted by delta IB. This is actually the difference between the SCRs which we have discussed due to some, because whatever may be the rating, equal devices cannot be made, so some differences of current rating may be there, and that difference is denoted by delta IB. So I1 minus delta IB equal to Vs. So from that ultimately we can get the R value, which is actually the static equalizing resistance. With that resistance is which is placed across each SCRs operated in a uniform distribution of blocking voltage. So that particular resistance is called static equalizing resistance. Okay. So static equalizing resistance is used for steady state purpose.